Hello, this is T-Dog. I got another Flight 1 series video going here. What we're going to be doing today is using the ESC pass-through for a BL Heli32 ESC to update the ESCs via Flight 1. So the first thing you should do is take your props off. You should always do that when you're updating ESCs or messing with anything where you may have to put in a power battery. This is what I do actually first. I come over here to console, I type in dump, and this gives me everything. I scroll back up to the top, copy it all, come over here to my notepad, notes, and then see here I already pasted it. As a backup. This will save you a step for when you're done in case it doesn't go right. So after you dumped and pasted, come over here to configuration, and you're going to come down here to pass through with Cleanflight. You're going to click this. The board will automatically install Cleanflight, and then you'll see what we need to do next. So just hit confirm. And what it's going to do is actually flash Cleanflight onto your board. This is on a Mac, so most of the stuff's going to be the same. You do need to have obviously Flight 1 configurator downloaded. You also need to have the BL Heli32 software downloaded, and I'll provide a link down below or as a card. Now, last time there was a screen here that told you what to do, but right now there isn't. So it's flashed. We're going to close this. Then we're going to go. I'm running this virtual box so I can run Windows on my Mac. You download BL Heli32 on your system, and then you're going to run the configurator and see here. Let's see. Now again, remember I'm running a Mac, so it may look a little bit different, but this is Windows. So and then I got a USB serial device. You hit connect. Okay, now you need to plug in your battery and then hit read setup. It won't work if you don't plug in your battery because it's looking for the ESCs, and ESCs aren't powered. So here you can see once I did that, I've got this will tell you what I've got: Acon 32 Rev 32.6. Gonna click OK. Okay, so now if you needed to change your settings or add music, here's the music one. One of the things that Oscar Lang recommended is you set PWM frequency to 48 and motor timing to auto, and this is supposed to help as stuff run on 32. So I actually have to update this. I believe there's a new version. Let's see. Nope. If you hit update, and it says right here, this is your ESC multi-rotor, and latest BL Heli32 revision is this one. So if you didn't need to click it, you just click OK, and then it's going to flash all your speed controllers. Alright, so once you're done, you disconnect that, then plug your board back in, and here this is the screen that comes up. We detected Cleanflight firmware is installed. Now I'm going to go back to Flight 1 because I'm done. Here, if you want to load a different firmware, you select this one. If you want the most current, it shows you there. Now it's going to reflash the board. Alright, now it's done here, writing the new data, verifies it. And then it's going to come up with another screen. Alright, now this says, hey, we found some settings. Would you like to load those? I'm going to say yes. And this will load up everything that you've changed from before. It's stored on the board there, so it just loads it right back in. So if you're going to do that, make sure you're using the same version, 1.64, whatever your previous version was. Make sure it's using the same version so you flash the right stuff. Alright, and that's it. And all my stuff's back here.